Hello guys, and this is Section again, and today I have bring me with this Section SPS5, and you can see this SPS5, which is the model of this glove, which is the hard finger one. And the important feature of this glove is the carbon fiber on the knuckles and also on the palm sliders, which is going to provide you with the maximum of the impact protection during the riding. Just in accidentally you got any of the crush, and this one going to protect your joints and your fingers from the crush.